Ready to revolutionize your cooking? The Instant Pot Duo Plus is here to be your ultimate kitchen assistant, making meal prep easier and faster than ever. This incredible 9-in-1 appliance combines a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, sauté pan, steamer, sterilizer, cake maker, and food warmer, all in one sleek design. Imagine decluttering your countertops and replacing multiple gadgets with just one powerful device. It's a game changer for busy households. With 15 smart customizable programs, like poultry, soup, beans, and more, you can achieve perfect results with just the touch of a button, no guesswork required. It's so easy to use, whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your culinary journey, making delicious meals accessible to everyone. Plus, the durable stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy, safe cooking and effortless cleanup, which is a huge time saver after dinner. What truly sets the Duo Plus apart is its advanced technology, delivering consistent, reliable performance that outperforms other multi-cookers on the market. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen or find the perfect Instant Pot for your home, check out the Instant Pot Duo Plus using the Amazon link in the description below. This is definitely a top contender for the best kitchen appliance of 2025, offering unmatched versatility and convenience for daily cooking. Don't wait to transform your cooking experience. I highly recommend the Instant Pot Duo Plus for anyone serious about delicious, hassle-free meals.